The Honda S2000 is finally back, and honestly, this might be the most exciting sports car Honda has made in decades. Just look at this thing. Low, wide, aggressive, lightweight looking. And unlike a lot of modern sports cars that are trying way too hard, the new 2027 S2000 actually feels clean and purposeful. Honda clearly understood the assignment here. You've got the long hood, short rear deck, rear-wheel drive proportions, and of course, it's still a convertible. Because an S2000 without the top-down driving experience just wouldn't feel right. And the design, it looks incredible. Up front you get these super sharp LED headlights with a very futuristic Honda look, but it still somehow keeps that classic S2000 personality. The front bumper is aggressive without looking overdone, and the lower grille gives it this almost mini NSX vibe. Then from the side, this is where the car really shines. The proportions are perfect. Huge wheels pushed to the corners, sculpted side skirts, muscular rear haunches. This thing looks like it was designed by people who actually love driving. And then there's the rear. That full-width LED light bar looks amazing at night, and the back end has this wide exotic car stance that makes the car look way more expensive than it probably will be. Honestly, if you told someone this was a six-figure European sports car, they'd probably believe you. Now, Honda still hasn't revealed every performance detail yet, but rumors are pointing toward a turbocharged VTEC setup with somewhere around 320 horsepower paired to rear-wheel drive. And if Honda is smart, which they usually are with the S2000 name, there absolutely has to be a manual transmission option. Because the whole point of the S2000 was never just straight-line speed. It was about the experience, the high revs, the sharp steering, the lightweight feel, the connection between the driver and the car. That's why people still obsess over the original today, and honestly, this new one looks like it understands exactly why the old car became legendary in the first place. The crazy thing is this new S2000 could end up being one of the last true analog-feeling sports cars before everything becomes electric and overloaded with screens and fake engine sounds. Which is exactly why enthusiasts are already losing their minds over it. And if Honda prices this correctly, the Supra, Nissan Z, BMW Z4, and even some Porsche buyers might have a serious problem. Because this thing has the potential to become an instant future classic the second it hits dealerships. Honestly, this might be the comeback car of the decade.